guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sandy. Happy New Year to all of you guys, and as the start of the year we will plant some vegetables and flowers and pretty much everything that I can plant in my small yard. So we will plant today using a what you call a seed tray. So seed tray, you can buy it in the garden store, and it comes with a tray. The dog doesn't come with it, by the way. And then it comes with a cover and a tray with 72 cells in it. So the reason why we're doing this, because there are several factors that before you can plant your seeds into the soil, you have to consider your weather in your area. You have to consider your type of soil. So that's why putting your seeds into the seed tray will help your plants to be healthy with stronger roots before you can even transplant them into the soil or pots. So I'm actually using Jiffy products. I am not a sponsor, but I love this product because it works pretty well. So I'm using the seed tray with the cover with the 72 cells, and also it comes with a tray that you can put water in. So first thing you do is you need to have some kind of media. A media is almost like a soil, but it's not a soil. It's like a combination of some kind of coconut coir, fine grained wood, some perlite, vermiculite. We'll discuss about that later on in the next vlog. So once you put your media into the seed tray cells, you can add water, and just make sure that you add water first before you put the seeds in, because it's easier that way. Otherwise it's gonna be messy. So we will start putting in the seeds. So since I am Filipino, I like to eat Filipino vegetable. As you can see, I had the sigarilyas, I had the pepper, which is a very versatile vegetable. I also have bitter melon, or what you call bitter gourd, or ampalaya, which is very delicious and healthy. I also have okra. Who doesn't like okra? I know a lot of people don't like it, but I love it. Also, I have this Italian tomato. Now we're gonna start putting in the seeds. The next step will be putting the seeds in your hands. Make sure you check that the seed is not rotten or anything like that, which is usually it's not. Poke a hole into the cell with any sticks. I normally use chopstick, and then just put a bunch of hole in it. It's easier that way. And then what you should do is drop the seeds into the hole. Normally I would plant more than 6 into the cell tray, because I don't really know if how many seeds will germinate or will grow. So at least I have extra, or I don't know how many of them will die or live. And then I will put a tag. Just make sure you tag it, because sometimes I don't really know what I planted and I don't really know what will come out. So, and then just make sure you tape it well. And then pretty much you do the same thing over again with the other types of seeds that you want to plant. So here in Hawaii, I just want to let you know that vegetables are so expensive, especially the Filipino vegetables. They're very expensive. The malunggais, the sitaws, your kangkong, everything like that. And unfortunately, not everybody can plant malunggay or any types of vegetable in their property. Sometimes if they live in an apartment, they can't do that either. They don't have space. So I would suggest, if you have a small area in your yard or bakuran, at least try to plant, because it's fun to see things grow. At least you can say you tried. You definitely will know what you're putting in your table because you grew it, right? For me, using this method also helps me see which plant will actually work in my area, which plant will actually grow, and I can continue planting, because not all plants or seeds will actually grow in this area. But now we're done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our seed tray into the tray again, and make sure that we will cover it, and then we'll just put it in a warm area, but not into direct heat and then wait until it will grow. Here it is. The corns and the baby tomatoes and some of the flowers along with the baby eggplants are already germinated. I'm just waiting for it to grow a little bit and then transfer it to another bigger pot. And here they are about a week after. They grow a little bit bigger, but they need more chance to mature some more, then I can transfer it. And yep, these are the cabbage and the melons and the ampalayas. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys learned something. And please don't forget to comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much. Have a good day.